Hi, it's Sarah Taylor. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you a beautiful little painting, and this is a pre-painted canvas, and it's dry. And then I'm going in with my translucent pearl base coat, which I've been just loving lately. I'm really having a lot of fun with it. And there is some details on the recipe in my Patreon account, and then when you attend events, you can also get a lot of information and details on the recipes as well. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is just put down some puddle paint on top of that translucent base coat. That's a Modern Masters iridescent white, and I mix in a little bit of titanium white by Golden Fluid. And I use that as my first puddle quite often. Pardon the light, there's so much white here, and the sun was coming in, so the lighting will get better though. That is TLP Harvest Gold mixed with ore. And they have a new pigment called Gilded that I'm also just loving. It's so beautiful. That's at fluidartco.com. That's a Charvin color called Royal Blue Light. Can't find another color quite like it. It's really unique. I really love it. That's TriArt Golden Yellow, which is very comparable to the discontinued Golden Fluid quinacridone nickel azo gold. And then that is golden quinacridone violet. I know it is TriArt. I use the TriArt version of their quinacridone violet. And I mixed in a little bit of Vivid Intense Mars violet, which kind of has a brown to it. It's really pretty. And then this is just TriArt Burnt Umber. And you can use different brands of paint. I love Fluid Art Company and their products, and their TriArt paint and their This Little Piggy pigments are fantastic. But it's pretty versatile. I use Amsterdam a lot as well. Oh, and then I did throw in just a little bit of this Vinyasa, which is a TLP pigment. And in that Vinyasa, I mixed a little bit of Charvin Indigo just to make it even richer. And now I'm just tilting the paint. I'm going to play with it, and come see me at Fluid Art Experience. If you have not signed up yet, it's not too late. There's still some space in some of the classes, so I hope to see you there, and I hope you enjoy this painting. I'm going to have a quick announcement here, and then I'll show you the dried results at the end. All right, much love. I'm going to take a minute just to thank Craftsy for sponsoring this video. These companies have been contacting me to spread the word about their creative platforms. They've identified that I have an extremely creative audience. What are the great deals they're giving my followers? It's a pleasure to share more about these creative platforms. Craftsy is an online community of creative, like-minded makers where members can find inspiration, improve their skills, and discover new favorite hobbies. If you're here with me today, I'm sure you're interested in art, and if you're anything like me as an artist, you love to keep your hands busy to quiet your mind. When I'm in a creative space, everything else seems to melt away, and I hope it's the same for you. This winter, I've really been enjoying cooking, painting, and knitting. My little ones have been learning how to knit at our Waldorf school, and I'm trying to keep up with them. I took a few of the classes on Craftsy, and it really did help. They teach through instructional videos taught by talented and friendly experts. Their professional instructors walk you through each technique with step-by-step demonstrations, providing expert tips and tricks. As far as content, here's a few examples of what you can learn. Knitting, crocheting, quilting, sewing, painting, drawing, cooking, baking, and cake decorating. Here's the kicker, you guys. The first 1,000 of my subscribers to click on the link in the video will get a full year of premium membership to Craftsy for only $1.49. That's a discount from $123, and that is for new subscribers to the platform. So check it out and let me know what you think.